Good afternoon, traders. Thursday, May the 9th, a few minutes before 2 o'clock, so that's around 12 o'clock GMT. Just to show you the system again, we got another potential trade. We've got a low down here, and we've got a B high, and you can see that price bounced at this level over here, and then we reached the area that I call the failure area. And if I go down to my 1 hour chart, you will see that on the 1 hour chart, yesterday we had a bearish candlestick, okay, but we didn't take that because that rally was too strong. There was a chance that price could have still have broken the high. And then earlier this morning, 3 hours ago, you can see that we got another bearish candlestick formation, and I went short at that point there, and my stop is above the high, 13 pips above the high. And here we're looking for price to rally on down to 3020 over coming days. Okay, I could take it back to the 4 hour chart. I'm looking for price to fall down to the 786 around 3020. This won't happen immediately. It will take a few sessions before that happens. The pound, you can see that we took out the last level of support over here. Okay, so we're starting a reversal, giving us a new A and a B, and you can see that here also price is around the 86 fib. Okay, if we go down to the 1 hour chart, you'll see that yesterday there was also an entry to go short, but with that strong rally, I didn't go short against that one. Today, price rallied up. I went short at this point in time here, a bit premature, but I'm still of the opinion that price will most likely fall, simply because the BOE minutes came out. I actually waited for that. You can see we've got two doji candles, and you can see that we've got tweezers on top there, so that in itself is bearish. But for added confirmation, you can wait for a bearish candlestick to actually form there. Okay, and there also we're looking for price to fall down to lower levels over coming sessions. Aussie, you can see there's our A high and there's our B low on the Aussie, and this pink line that I drew, and you can see that's past support that I was looking for future resistance to come into play there. It didn't, but this morning you can see that we got a nice evening star, a very nice evening star, and that is just around the 382. okay, I went short on that evening star formation over there. You can see I went short, stop above the high, and here also I can actually take this out, we don't need these. Here also we're looking for price to fall down to lower levels. Okay, so those are the three trades that we're gonna watch over coming sessions, and then we'll post this video. So let's see how it goes. Okay, we'll be back in several hours time, because we trade in the 4 hour chart. We won't update every hour. It'll be several hours from now. Thanks. Good morning, traders. David Martin here from Forex Tutors. We're just going to do a quick update on the trade that we were in yesterday. You can see this is the Euro 4 hour chart, and you can see we've actually been limited out of that trade already. But just to go down to the 1 hour chart, we had an entry point at this level here. You can see there was our bearish candlestick formation. We went short, and price limited us out already. We had a limit in at the 786 down here, and that was 130 pips fall from 3154 to 3020. okay, that was 150 pip fall. Okay, so that trade is closed. The pound, we're still in the pound trade. You can see there's our last AB swing, there's our 86, and you can see there was our point of entry. Okay, we called it on the previous video, and we're still short on this position. And that entry point was 55.57, and we're now on 54.20. That's also 130 some pips. Okay, the Aussie, there was our entry point on the Aussie yesterday. We were expecting this past support to become future resistance, and you can see it went just past that. If I go down to the 1 hour chart, you can see I said in the room there was a good evening star. We went short at that level, and we're still in that trade, and that entry point there was, or is, 229, and we're on 54. Okay, so that's also what, 130 30-40 pips, somewhere around there. Okay, so those are the three positions that we're still in, we are in two of them still. We're in the Aussie and we're in the pound. Okay, we can move our stops to break even. I'll do that after the video. Stops can move down to cost, and we'll do an update a bit later. If we do find support, then I will exit these trades, but for now I'll see if we don't fall just a bit further. Okay, see what the morning brings. We'll do an update later again. It is now 8 minutes past 8, so that's 8 minutes past 6 GMT, and it's Friday morning, the 10th of May. Good day traders, good afternoon. David Martin here from Forex Tutors. 4:45 on Friday afternoon, the 10th of May. We did a recording this morning to show you the trades that we were in, and just to recap, this is the Euro 4-hour chart. You can see that we got out here this morning at 30.20. Price has fallen quite a bit further, but we didn't re-enter there. If you got into the 1-hour chart, there was no clear re-entry. You could most likely call that a re-entry, but it wasn't absolutely clear. I would have wanted price to have gone up first and then fallen. So the Euro this morning, we banked 120 pips overnight with that trade. Then the pound, we just exited these trades now. Let's just do some housekeeping here. The reason for exiting this trade, we exited here at 53.60. Okay. The reason for that was, you can see we've got a 618 there and we've got a 1.618, so a good place for a bit of a bounce. Okay, so we exited that trade. We entered that trade up here at 55.57, we said. Okay, and we exited down there, so that was like 197 pips profit on that trade there. Okay, if I go onto the 1-hour chart, you can see our price has fallen. The US session is offering up something, but we've got a bit of support. There's another nice bearish candlestick formation, but you can see there was no option for a re-entry again to add to that position here. Nothing clear. So that one's closed, the Aussie. Let's move this potential B down here as well. The Aussie, we climbed in at 229. We closed this one out as well. If you look at the video a few minutes earlier, you'll see that we got in at 229 and we exited this one at 997, virtually at parity. Okay, so, and that was for 249 pips, I think it was. Yeah, we got out at 997, we got in at 229, somewhere around there. Okay, and if you go down to the 1-hour chart as well, you will see that there was no opportunity for any re-entry over there as such. So those are the trades that we had, and if you add them up, the Euro overnight and the pound and the Aussie, you'll see that those three combined, they're just over 830, 840 pips, depending on where you got filled and where you exited as such. So that's the trading system, guys. Visit us on forextutors.co.za, and we host webinars. The trading courses are for a month, once a week for a month, and we'll teach you how to trade the system that we are trading. Okay, so that's forextutors.co.za. That's 840 pips with these three trades, and we made 270 pips early on in the week. So that was good trading for the week as such. So visit us again. It's forextutors.co.za. Have a nice weekend, and we'll post another trade as they become available. Thanks, bye.